April is National Car Care Month, where guys like me come on TV and remind you to take your vehicle in and get it checked over. If you haven't had yours in for a while, you might find out that your vehicle needs some work. Here's the top things that we see on a daily basis that get overlooked. Gas is sprayed out of fuel injectors into the engine, and any contaminants between the gas tank and the injectors will clog things up. Get the fuel filter replaced as scheduled if your vehicle has one, and keep the fuel system clean. Your vehicle will run smooth and get better gas mileage. Battery cables corrode very slowly over time, which eventually will cause the charging system to fail. The terminals need to be tight, clean, and sealed to ensure that current flows through the electrical system like it should. Many times the rubber hoses on your vehicle will look just fine, but that can be deceiving. If your rubber hoses are over 5 years old, the mechanic should give them a thorough check over because they can deteriorate from the inside out and blow out without any warning. Most newer vehicles have a cabin air filter in the dash. It's like your furnace filter in your house, and it's designed to keep the air that you breathe inside the vehicle clean. Sneezing and wheezing are really good reasons to change this filter every spring season. Many times people don't change their timing belt when they should. A timing belt is actually kind of an internal engine part that you don't see from the outside, and most times they have to be replaced around 100,000 miles. Check with your mechanic to see if your vehicle has a timing belt. Get it replaced on time if it does, or else you could risk some serious engine damage. Brake fluid can become contaminated with moisture over time, which can lead to corrosion in the internal parts of the brake system. High-tech brake system parts, such as the modulator, have very precise passages that the brake fluid goes through, and they can be very expensive to replace if they become damaged by brake fluid corrosion. Shocks and struts absorb bumps on the road and give you a nice smooth ride, but they wear out gradually, so you might not have noticed how bad your ride quality has gotten. Have them inspected and replaced if needed, and you can get a lot of that new car ride back into your vehicle. The Car Care Council has an awesome website, and you can go on there for tips, and you can even enter your year, make, and model of vehicle, and it will send you reminder emails when it's time for scheduled service. Check it all out at carcare.org, and remember to get your vehicle in and get it inspected. For Channel 6 News, I'm Jim Champion, the Auto Guy.